Trading without a stop loss is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. It might feel thrilling for a while, but one wrong move and it's a long way down. When you're trading stocks, the market doesn't care how confident you are. Prices can turn fast, and if you're not protected, one trade can wipe out weeks or months of gains. That's why stop losses exist, to keep your losses small. There are different types of stop losses, and some are better than others. Let's go over them. The mental stop is when you say you'll get out at a certain price, but don't place the order in the system. It gives you flexibility, but it's dangerous because when the pressure hits, discipline often breaks. It also keeps market makers from targeting your stop, but that is much less of a concern than using a large amount of capital due to an unexpected large move. A fixed stop is placed in the market at a specific price. If the stock hits that level, you're out. It's mechanical. It's emotion-free. It does the job. A trailing stop moves up as the stock moves up, locking in gains along the way. It protects your profits without capping your upside. There are many different ways of determining where to place a stop, but two of the most common ways are with ATR or percentage. ATR stop, based on average true range, adjusts to the stock's volatility. More volatile stocks get wider stops, calmer stocks get tighter ones. This helps you avoid getting shaken out too early. A percentage stop is simple. You set your stop at a certain percentage of the execution price. It could be 25% or it could be 10%. You decide how much you want to risk. The problem with a percentage stop is that it doesn't adjust to price automatically. What I mean is 25% of a $10 stock is $2.50. That's all you're risking per share. But 25% of a $500 stock is $125. That's a lot to risk for profit to give back. Both ATR and percentage stops can be fixed or trailing. If you're building a trend-following trading system, I recommend a trailing ATR stop since it adjusts for volatility, protects your downside, and lets your profits run. No stop is perfect. You might get stopped out right before the stock turns around, and it can happen more than once. This is called being whipsawed, a term popularized by the famous trader Ed Sepoda. But over the long run, stops are what keep the capital intact. Think of it this way. You can always get back on the tightrope, but only if you're still alive after the fall. Use a stop, always.